everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through a quick and easy step on how to download MetaTrader 5 application on your desktop or laptop. So if you want to learn how, keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Now let's get started with the video. Open up your preferred web browser and go to the URL box and type in www.metatrader5.com and press enter on your keyboard. From the official web page, you'll be able to find download links for your preferred devices or operating system. To download it for your Windows or your desktop, click on the Download MetaTrader 5 for Windows button on the left-hand side. It'll now download the setup file, as you can see it in the pop-up. Once the download is completed, click on Open File. Now it'll proceed the installation process for the app. Simply go ahead and follow through the process, and then it'll start setting up MetaTrader 5 on your computer. Follow through the prompts to install the app on your PC, and you will now be able to see MetaTrader 5 downloaded, and you have a short on your desktop. Click the Finish button in the pop-up, and that is how you should be able to get MetaTrader 5 application with a few simple steps. That is how it can be easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.